This is our beautiful barred rock hen named Dewey. And Dewey is a pet. She snuck in the doggy door. She's very intelligent, and she looks at herself in the mirror, but she's not supposed to be in the house because she needs a diaper. And we don't have a diaper for a chicken. Here. Boop, boop, boop. She's a pretty girl. Yes, she is. Oh, pretty Dewey. So spoiled. This is May May. She's sleeping. This is Rimsky. Oh, this is Momo. Momo. This is Rimsky. Hi, Rim. Mommy. Momo. Come on, look at the camera, Momo. Say hi to Stason. Where's your bony, Mo? You want a peanut? And Zoe left, I guess. Okay, Dewey, outside. You pretty girl. Hi, Momo. Oh, you don't want the chicken near your cookies, huh? Yeah, you don't want the chicken near your cookies. My Rim's cute, cutie. Bye, Dewey.